stampers and paper crafters. It's Renee Daly with StampKnowHow.com, and I'm back with another project for you. We're going to do a blended background card. It requires very few supplies. I'm sure you're going to like this technique. I got the inspiration for this card from the Inspire Create Stamping Challenge, and I'll put that link on my blog. And I've also used the Fab Friday Sketch 187 for this as well as the Global Design Project Challenge. It's also going to be entered into that, and that's number 236 for them. If you'd like to shop with me, this is my hostess code for April. Make sure you add that onto your order, and if your order is over $50 or more, I'll send you a free gift in the mail as well as a homemade thank you card. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is, using a window sheet, you're going to cut out your shape that you want to make the blended background in. So I made a template using one of these dies, and I'll put the die name up on the screen for you. Can't remember it right now, but I'll stick it up on the screen at the bottom so you can see. So for this card, it's actually kind of a fun little technique. You're gonna need 2 pieces of a 4" by 5 1/4" Whisper White cardstock. Card base is Blackberry Bliss, and it's cut at 11 inches by 4 1/4 and scored at 5 1/2. So that's all you need for paper. We're also gonna need 4 ink colors for this. Got my Pool Party, Old Olive, Blackberry Bliss, and Poppy Parade. So we're gonna start by doing the background. I'm gonna take our smaller piece of paper. And you're gonna need some low tack tape for this. You can use washi tape, or I have this purple tape just bought on Amazon. And I'm just gonna tack this down to my glass mat. This can be a little messy, so you want to protect your work surface with something, either, grid paper, glass mat, something. I'm just going to tape this down so we don't have this shifting on us. And then we're going to line up our stencil that I made previously. And we're going to put that in the middle. I'm trying to get that as straight as possible. Same thing, I'm just going to tack those corners down so we don't get movement while we're using our tools to blend. Okay, we have that ticked down. I have 4 different blending brushes, and these I just bought on Amazon. They're the little makeup brushes. They're pretty cheap. You can look in the craft section, but I'll see if I can find the item code if they're still out there, and I'll put them up for you. So we're going to start at the bottom using our Old Olive. Pick up some of that color on the blending brush, and starting off on our little mask, we're going to come onto the paper. Next we're going to go with the Pool Party. Same thing. Go in and grab some of that ink, starting on the stencil and moving inward. And you can make this as dark or as light as you want. Darken it up just a little bit. blue. Next we're going to go with the Poppy Parade. Just grab a little bit of that color. And the same thing, I'm just going to work onto the paper. And last but not least, we have our Blackberry Bliss. And I'm just going to come in and do the same thing at the top. And just so you know, with your stencil, you can reuse this. You just clean it up with some soap and water, regular dish soap. And that ink will come right off. It's just water-based ink, so it'll be clean for the next time you want to use that. And that's our little background. This is like a really fun card to make. Okay, now just to finish this up, I'm going to do a little bit of stamping. For that, I'm using the Silhouette Scenes stamp set and a bit of Stays On ink. I like to do this one upside down because it's so solid. You have to make sure you fill it all in. Get a really good impression. I'm just going to have this off to the right. Looks really cool. And then our sentiment, we have together is the perfect place to be. Same thing, we're just going to use the black stage on. This would look really cool if you did it with embossing powder as well. Okay, we're just going to let that dry. Work on the inside. Inside of the card. Okay, just to attach the inside with some snail. And that's all there is to it. Very simple card for today. I hope you enjoyed today's project. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to shop with me. This is my hostess code for this month. And I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.